I'm going to be installing this oil catch can that I got on Amazon on the Ford Raptor. Inexpensive oil catch can. And the other thing that I like, it has a dipstick. And it's got a really nice finish. And I absolutely do love this color. I think a perfect spot for the oil catch can would be right here. This bracket is going to fit perfectly in that spot right there. So what I end up doing is basically unscrewing all of this. That way I can kind of pull this out and then I can kind of reach behind. And what I'm doing is putting a washer and a nut back here. Here's the final install. This thing is rock solid. So on the oil catch can, the side that says out, if you follow along, this is the out that goes all the way to the supercharger. And the side that says in on your oil catch can, that is gonna go down and all the way to the engine, and there is the port right back there. And I've been driving it for a few days and already I've got a little bit of oil. Dipstick, clear access to, oh, I guess not. I might have to move it back here where I originally had it. It would stick out a little bit more. I could actually lower it. I don't know. For now, I don't see myself using the dipstick, so I'll leave it for now. So super easy install. The only difficult part was trying to deal with this bracket. That was it. But once that's in, rest is easy. Connection's super easy. I really do love that color of blue. It's a beautiful color. It gives a nice pop of color. I'm changing my mind about a few things. So first of all, I don't really like the look of these clamps, so I'm going to replace those with something that looks a bit more cleaner, such as these spring clamps. I think that looks much cleaner. Okay, next I'm thinking of moving this over here. That way it'll be pushed out just a little bit, and that should give me enough clearance for the dipstick. So in order to do that, I'm going to remove these here so I can get access to this cowl. So I moved the bracket, so now this is going to sit more to the left and more out towards the front of the vehicle. And the other thing I'm going to be changing is replacing those bolts that were up there. So those ones were the silver color bolts. I'm going to replace them with black. That way it's going to look a bit more discreet. So the head of the bolt is an 8 and the nut on the back is a 10. Oh yeah, already that looks way better. Before you would see the silver head of the bolt stick out. Now it looks much more discreet. All this extra work, was it worth it? You bet. I think it looks much cleaner. Can't even see that bolt. It kind of blends in. Okay, here's the final installation, and I gotta say, these clamps makes a big difference. It looks much cleaner. Looks kind of like it's factory. Replacing those silver bolts up here I also made a difference. It's much more discreet. And moving this oil catch can to the left and more towards the front works really well. Now dipstick is perfect. Easy access. The dipstick still have access, so that's not a problem. So looks really clean in my opinion. Very clean. And that pop of color is really nice for a couple of reasons. Not only aesthetic, it looks nice, but every time I open the hood, right away your eye goes to this bright blue oil catch can, and that just serves as a good reminder to check the level of the oil. But yeah, it's all done. Easy install and a great investment. Only 60 bucks, and it gives you some assurance that your engine is being as clean as possible. So all of those oil vapors, so within about a month I've got quite a bit of oil in here, which otherwise would have ended up in the intake. So good mod, especially if you are running a supercharger or a turbocharger. You're forcing more air into the engine, and I highly recommend, if you are running such a boosted application, consider an oil catch can. I think it's a great investment. And this looks really nice too. And this thing is rock solid. It's not going anywhere. And I love how it looks like it's just kind of suspended in the air. Really nice install. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.